So your car's broken and you've tried everything you can think of to fix it, but have you tried cleaning it? On today's video...
Come on, baby.
A bed spring fabricator. Don't know what used to be in there. Welcome to part 2 of my detailing the truck video. I'm thoroughly cleaning my truck inside and out in hopes that my gas cap loose warning light goes off. As I said before, I've tried everything else. So let's see what we have to do. Now, thankfully, I usually keep my seats up for carrying stuff in the back. So these chairs at the back are actually perfect condition. So that's nice. So I do have a lot to clear out here. These mats come out. Look at that. Mystery box. Don't know what used to be in there. Anyway, these mats come out. I can vacuum them outside the car. Door needs a good clean. Needs some grease down there. What's the front like? Obviously, the driver's area is going to be the most disgusting. This door basically needs replaced. This mat comes out as well. Oh, look how clean it's supposed to be. So I'll get that out, get it cleaned outside. I might even pressure wash that, it's really bad. This obviously needs some new duct tape. This whole seat needs replaced, but that would be an absolute nightmare. Not so much a nightmare, but very expensive. Basically underneath this, looks like that. It just got brittle over the years and I tried to get it repaired, but it failed. So this side obviously needs done. The dash is disgusting. Other side, same story. Another secret. I wonder if it's disgusting in here. No, it's clean. Probably never been used. And the passenger side. Passenger seat is great, no problem there. This mat will come out. Again, look how clean that is. If I can get it all looking like that, we will be good. I've got all my glove boxes to empty. Cubby hole in the middle. Masks everywhere. Just junk. Junk that you never use. Dirt and grime. More masks. I also have a reverse light to fix. I remembered today. Right, let's see what we're going to be using to clean this thing. I really love this stuff. However, there's absolutely no point squirting this onto dirt. So we have to get rid of the dirt before we actually finish with that. So I'm using Mr. Clean. I know it's like Greenworks, but it's actually Mr. Clean. Hot water, a couple of cloths to get rid of the majority of the dirt. And then we'll go over it all again with the good old Meguiar's. Question is, do I vacuum first or do I clean first? I think I clean first and then I can brush all the dirt onto the carpet and then get started in the vacuuming. Let us begin. Vacuum time. Awesome, it's raining. Vacuuming out in the rain, probably not a good idea. Let me show you how the mats came up. These are 11-year-old mats and a simple hoover. It is a hoover. Simple hoover, brought them up. Good as new, except for that one, which I might have to give a bit of a scrub. Still got the inside of the truck to do, vacuum-wise, and then I'll give it a final blast of this over all the plastic in the seats. And then I'll show you how it looks and we'll go for the final test, the gas cap loose warning light test. All clean and ready for inspection. Cue the dramatic music. Okay, enough of that. The question is, did it solve my gas cap loose warning light? Come on, baby. Oh my God. So this started off as a bit of a joke, but apparently to fix your car, all you have to do is give it a wash inside and out. Well, that was unexpected and completely legit. Right, before you go, it is time to play Past Professions, or the PP game, as I'm never going to call it again. Okay, can you believe that only one person got the right answer? For a start, I can't swim. I can't spell telescope. So yes, I was a famous artist. Now they say fame is fleeting, but for 10 years I was creating art and sending it around the world. And the subject matter was, of course, cars. I was doing car caricatures. I did some drawings for famous rally car drivers. Specifically, the one I remember the most was a Peugeot 206. And I also was commissioned to do a drawing for Frank Bruno, heavyweight boxer. He had an M-Class Mercedes. Not sure if I can find the drawing for that. He didn't want anyone else to see it. So that's what I did. World famous artist. The term world famous is, negotiable, but I'm going with that. So congratulations to Gary Collins. You're the top of the leaderboard, completely unchallenged. Right, on to this week's challenge. So, was one of my past professions A, train conductor, B, a bed spring fabricator, or C, a cinema projectionist? Leave a comment, A, B, or C. At the moment, Gary Collins is winning. The prize will be something, haven't decided yet, but we've got quite a few jobs to get through before we get to the winner. Right, I've not forgotten the reverse light, so I will go and do that, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.